Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Amazon Prime Student offer. Amazon offers a Prime Student plan that gives students all the regular Prime benefits at half the price. To sign up, search Amazon Prime Student free trial in your browser and click the official link. You'll get 6 months free, then pay about $7.50 per month instead of $15. Click Try Prime Student and create a new Amazon account if you don't already have one. You'll need to verify your student status using a .edu email, student ID, or transcript. Once verified, you'll enjoy all Prime benefits at the discounted rate, and Amazon will recheck your student status each year to renew your plan. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.